This kind of patterns are very much important in our syllabus. So it's basically the reverse of those examples which we done earlier. So it's basically from I to the maximum limit of rows, and in the previous examples we solved from 1 to I. So let's check once again. So here is I equals to 1, so the starting point, and I less than equals to 5, ending point, the maximum limit of the rows, and the columns will represent as j equals to I and j less than equals to 5. So j equals to I means when I is equals to 1, and it will print all the numbers from 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then I is 2, so it will print from 2 to 5, and similarly 3 to 5, 4 5 and 5 only. So system.out.print j and system.out.println, print is used to print them on the same line, and if we use println then it will all be in separate lines. So let's check the output. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, so it's all done. Let's check one special case or one error which might be doing. System.out.print I, so printing I instead of j. Then let's check the difference. So it's 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4. So it's also one another kind of sum which we might get in the question or in the exam. So that's all, and please solve that practice sheet which has been uploaded to you all. So there are around 20 sums which all are of the same kind. Few sums are quite higher from your level. Those will not come in the exam, even they are not in the syllabus, but if you want to enhance your coding, then you might solve those kind of sums, and if any problem persists, then you can ask and we will provide you the solutions. Okay.